Well, it's common in the USA to create a mud map using feet and inches as your base unit of measure. So if you're preparing a gCADPlus design, you want to firstly locate the dwelling on the site. It's convenient to start with one corner of the house, and you might start with the line command. Just for now, I'll click to that corner, but you would click anywhere in the screen, and with polar on, I can just move in the direction that I want to go in, and this first one's easy. It's 20, so I just type 20 and in goes the line. We then go down, and the measure over here, you notice, is 3 foot 8 inches. So what I can do is refer to my table, which I've got over here, a little block, and 8 inches is 667. So just come down here, 3.667, and in it goes. Our next is 17 foot 4 inches. So 4 is 0.33, referring to my table. So it's 17.33. We then go up 1 foot 8 inches. So that's 1 for a decimal foot. 8 inches converts to, again, 0.667. And the final one is 19 foot 4 inches. I'm looking at my mud map, and 4 inches is 0.33, so it's 19.33, and we hit enter. So can you see the red line now represents us tracing from a mud map and creating this full-size design of the site using still decimal feet as our unit, but using this little block, which we'll put on our website for download, which just helps do that quick conversion from one to the other. There are, of course, calculators on the web that you can do, but we find it handy to have that little table sitting in a drawing when we're using these dimensions. Well, let's add some more information from our mud map, which, remember, we did in feet and inches, and we'll start the line command, and we'll use snap, and we'll jump to that corner of the house and then just move up in the direction we want to go in, and we just type 4. It's 4 feet, it's very easy. But then we come across here and it's not so easy. We want 56.8 inches, or 56 feet 8 inches. So we type the 56 and then we look over in our table for 8 inches, and it's 0.708. So we come back here, 56.708, and enter, and then we come down 6, so 6 there. So we've been able to create a full-size plan ready for a landscape design to go in this upper area based on some measurements we took on site. The dimensions that you see here, let's just select one of them. Notice it says 1 foot 8 inches, and the reason being it's been drawn in an architectural style, which is, if we select that line there we just drew, it's 4 feet long. The properties box tells us 4, but because we've applied a dimension style called architectural, it's easy to do just by clicking it here. If I move it back to standard, you see our dimension style says 4.0 and a single quote, 4.0 feet. So you can just change your dimension styles at will.